I don't make these videos to boast or to just show off or anything. That's why I did this on a little 25K account. Here's a payout from Lucid, 25K. Request payout, $750. Here I am requesting it, going to my Capital One account. Request payout. It's going to pop up. And then, okay, click the button. There you go. Request payout successful. Then ding, a minute later, look at, you received an instant payment. I got an email for that. And here it is right here in my account from Lucid Trading. That's the 90-10 split, whatever it was. Here is the trading that I did. So I only traded 5 days and I made $675, right? And the account was like $60. So whatever that percentage is, right? And then now I can trade for another 5 days and go make another $750, $1,000. And I did this on purpose just to show that you don't have to buy these huge, massive accounts to go make some money. You can use these little accounts and get some cash, and then you can go buy bigger accounts, or you can just keep tracking in the little ones and then move to live. Now, the strategy that I used on this is our 10 and 2. That's the only trades I took with this account, the 10 and 2. I'm going to show it to you real quick. It's in our YouTube. I'm going to show you the YouTube, and I'm going to link the actual strategy in this video. So if you're interested on using that strategy and how we break it down, you can do that. Plus, we do call it out live every day in the Hunters Club, but you can come in for free in the Hunters Club on Fridays, 10 a.m. and 2 p.m., not a minute late.